What's up, YouTube? I'm Focus here with my first ever YouTube video. And welcome, you guys, to the channel as I go through my Forex journey on this platform. And you guys to follow along with me, learn with me, learn lessons with me, take classes with me, take wins with me. A little bit about myself. My name is Javid. Um, I live in Jamaica and I go to school and I aspire to be a profitable trader. So you know the vibe. Okay guys, let's get into this. Yeah, I'm a ICT trader. I trade ICT's concepts. One of the many that he teaches, and I'm here to break down today's market. Today is November the 29th. Friday night, and let's get right into it. We're gonna recap what happened on Friday. Okay, let's get on to it. So on the daily, we just have seen this candle on Thursday with no bottom wick, which is a bit weird. Then you see, as you see, that today is a very strong day, a very bullish day, and it closed respecting this rejection block. Also respecting this breaker right here. Yeah, that's just what happened today. So let's go prior to the day. Delete all of this. Mhm. Let's get into today. So today started at 6 p.m. on Thursday. So the actual daily candle started at 6 p.m. on Thursday. So it would be somewhere around here. This would be where the day started. Now we're gonna go at midnight and mark up midnight, also known as true day. Mm, 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 mm. We're gonna mark up our true day. I'll tell you why this is important in a sec. Well, if you trade ICT, then you know why marking up midnight is important. If not, I'll try to explain to the best of my abilities. This is 9 a.m. So we're on to the 50-minute time frame. This is 9:30 right here. No, we don't mark up 9:30, but mark up 8:30. Yes, 8:30. Alright, now since we've marked up 8:30 and today, I'll tell you why I do that. Alright, so today is basically the midnight open which we use to determine the basically the bias for the day. If we start out below today, most likely we're gonna have a bullish day. On a normal day, we would have a bullish day. So on like today, which is I would say a regular day, we had a bullish day. We were below today, and for a specific model for ICT's 2022 model, it's basically what price does above and below the 8:30 level, which is New York open time. These times are in New York time, Eastern Standard Time. As you can see, after 8:30, we came down and took this low right here. We're gonna mark that up as buy side, sell side, and what sell side liquidity. And we know what we do. We know what happens after sell side. If price sweeps sell side, we're looking to go back to another liquidity area. We tapped into a fair value gap right here. Also respecting that, is this an order block? This looks like an order block on the 1 hour. Yes, it is an order block. We're gonna mark what that as the we'll leave no stones unturned. Yeah. That's an order block right there. So after 8:30, which is when I would normally get to the market, depending on the model, I would be trading. But seeing this, I would be feeling the 2022 ICT model, which is the model I know more about. So after we took the lows, 8:30 came, we took the lows, we came back up, we respected. So one thing you want to see price do when you want to your bias is bullish. You want to see price disrespect um the fair value gaps in going downward. So we disrespect one fair value gap, right? Let me draw these. So we see price disrespect one and also two. So that's three fair value gaps. That's good enough to be a NAS. Yes, guys, we're on NAS 100. So even though we came up into this fair value gap, reacting off of this breaker right here, reacted off of that, came up, and we traded lower. Let's get down to see what happened there. So 8:30, if our bias is bullish, we want to see price manipulate below 8:30 to get our entry below 8:30. Look to expand, look for price to distribute above. So we're below 8:30. Price reacted off of a fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame, displaced lower than this swing low right here. Came back up to that fair value gap. Another one right here with a breaker. Respected the downward movement of this fair value gap, which I would want nothing to do with if we are respecting it. So we respected this then. To me, this fair value gap right here means nothing right now because we're respecting price to the downside. So maybe we want to sweep again, which we did. And we came into the order block, which was unmitigated. Came down, took this low. We have relative equal lows right here. Price really likes to sweep these levels. Sweeping these levels. No, something like this. Yeah. Yeah, sweeping these levels, tapping into the order block. This is this is 101 price 101 right here. We, we swept the relative equal lows, came into the order block. We displaced above the recent swing high right here. This is where we have our market structure shift. If you don't see, let me show you. Mhm. So we have price creating swing high, swing low. It did it twice. Broke that swing high. This alone was a market structure shift for price to come back into this fair value gap. Because of us respecting selling pressure, I would not have taken out. We sweep price again and then displacing to the upside, or should I say to the upside. And that is our market structure shift. So now we wanna get deep into price. We're at the 5 minute time frame. Let's get down to the 3 minute. As you can see, we displaced, swept the lows, displaced above right here, created an imbalance. This is the only imbalance slash fair value gap, which is in price. So mark up this. Waiting for price to come right in here, and our buy position would look something like this. And our TP would have been previous Asia highs. So if we would have get tapped into this trade, this would have been our TP. Small little 1 to 6. But unfortunately, markets did what they want again. And we see no entries on the 3 minute time frame. Let's go down now to the 1 minute time frame and see what we get. So again, we have our market structure shift here. Right there. Came back down. No fair value gap, no fair value gap. Our only fair value gap is this right here with a breaker. So this would be ideal entry for me and my fellow traders. TP still be T stop loss would be a bit bigger, respecting this breaker. Maybe here on this time frame, stop loss would have been let's see here or here. Not here because we're entering off of a breaker. So I want to respect that this whole bullish block. So maybe right here, still aiming for Asia highs, and this would be TP easily 1 to 4, not too crazy. Let's see again if we got an entry on this. We did not. Came up, came down, short little down right here, and went again. So at this point, I would have maybe left the market. I would have been like, oh yeah, I missed the move or whatever. That happens sometimes. Can't make FOMO catch you. So maybe if I run this high right here, I would have been okay that the market would sting. And let's go to 130. So 130 would be mm, 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 mm. No, that's not 130. 1:30 p.m. Hmm. Markets closed early today. Let's see. We have no 1:30 on Fridays. I did not know that. You learn a new something new every day. What time is this? What time is this? Yes, we have no 1:30. So that would have been it for the trading day. No trades taken. But however, if we did get our own entries, we would have hoped for price to explode above and give us our nice win. This right here was not a trade I've taken, but I did mark it up. This wasn't according to my plans because you can see this is true day right here and we're below true day. So if you're below true day and price is giving you selling models, unless you're really confident in those selling models, I would not have taken them. This was just showing what could have been. As you can see right now, guys, I am not trading live funds, I'm paper trading. So yeah, paper trading right now. Account balance, all that stuff up how much? 0.1%. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching this video to the end. If you make it here, please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my content. Hit that like button and comment on something you see in this video that you wished was spoken on or wish I would have elaborated on even more. And thanks for watching this video. Peace.